I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is MetForm. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Dropbox. To get client ID and secret, please visit Dropbox API console. Choose Scoped Access. Choose Full Dropbox. Name your app. Bit Integrations. Now click on Create App. Go to Permissions. Give all these permissions. Click on Submit. Go back to Settings. Copy app key and paste it here. Copy app secret and paste it here. To get access code, please visit Dropbox access code. Click Continue. Click Allow. Copy access code and paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select field, Upload file. Select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our Dropbox. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to Dropbox. Thanks for watching.